more oil. And keep it moving. Brown it, keep it moving. Right now what I'm doing is adding some oil to my little wok. And I'm going to add the beef. Beef is next. I marinated this beef in bacon powder, baking soda, cornstarch, salt, and pepper to make it tender. So we're going to see how it turns out. There will be splatter because there's moisture. I was trying to grab a lot of it with a paper towel, as you saw. So on a medium heat, I'm going to brown this meat. I'm going to keep it moving so that it doesn't stick. Ingredients are red bell pepper, green bell pepper, red onion or white, doesn't matter. I happen to have already some julienne carrots, some green onion, some freshly chopped ginger, and this is the sauce and ingredients. Today I am making my version of a Mongolian steak fry with rice. I already made my rice and black eyed peas for the new year to come. My rice is done and my black eyed peas with plenty of turkey butt done. Lord, I didn't go all out and fancy with them. I usually make a black eyed pea stew. This time it's just regular black eyed peas with plenty of turkey butts, turkey tails. I'm going to add my sauce to the meat. You can do everything separately or you can do it as you please. To this sauce I have slurry and water. I have the red pepper flake, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, and garlic sauce, and a little sugar. And I'm going to add my veggies last because I don't want them to be overly cooked. You can turn up your flame. Just keep your meat moving. And I would season to taste because of the soy sauce already being a little on the salty side. So season to taste once your meat is tender enough. So I added my carrot, onion, ginger, garlic, and bell pepper. I went on and added it in with the meat and the sauce. I'm going to cook it down, reduce the sauce. I'm going to let it get, done enough to taste to see if I need to season it anymore. Okay guys, and it is done. I'm just adding a little bit more garlic. But it is done. It takes no time to cook. It's a beautiful, healthy dish. And this is my kind of first New Year dish of the new year, although it's 9 o'clock at night. But again, I have my basmati rice and my black eyed peas with plenty of turkey tail. Happy New Year, everybody. Bon appetit. I will leave All the ingredients in the description below. Thank you for joining me one more time. Assalamu alaikum. Take care. May this new year bring you nothing but happiness, peace, joy, love, and prosperity. This year's black-eyed peas with turkey tails. Plenty. Tastes like butter. And that basmati rice with a special guest of Mongolian beef over rice. Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to another tutorial. A short video cooked with me. Stay tuned. This is my first, you could say, New Year's dish for 2023. Thank you for joining me one more time. Let's get right to it.